In this video, we will be unboxing the Orient Electric Arriva FH20WP 2000 watt room heater. On the front of the box, we can see an image of the heater. There's some Orient Electric branding on the top right. On the left, we have a couple of the salient features, which include a dual standing mode, two heating modes at 1000 watts and 2000 watts, and a fan mode with 2300 RPM. On the bottom, we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the left-hand side of the box, we have some specifications which have an electric consumption of 230 volts at 50 Hz, which is what you commonly find in Indian homes. It is also 2000 watts as the name of the product suggests. We also have the contents, but since we will be unboxing the product, we don't need to go through that. Below the contents, we have the manufacturing information, and below that we have the information regarding the customer care. On the right hand side, we have more of the features, the first three of which we have already gone through on the front of the box. The other features are copper motor for durability, handle for easy carriage, high-grade plastic body for shock-proof and corrosion-proof usage, 5 layers of safety protection for better safety and tension-free use, a cord length of 1.3 meters, and as we can see here, the product is ISI certified. On the bottom, we have another image of the product, but in its horizontal orientation. On top, we have some Orient Electric branding once more and the customer helpline number. There is nothing on the bottom, and the back is exactly the same as the front. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you understand the various functions of this heater, and we recommend that you read through this thoroughly. We also have the warranty information, and as we mentioned earlier, please consult the Amazon product page for the information regarding the warranty first. On the back, we have the addresses and contact information of the different branch offices in different regions of India. Coming to the product itself, we have some Orient branding right on top, and as we can see, it has an off-white, almost ivory-like color to it. There's a venting grill on the top, and there's a sticker that says do not cover this venting grill as it could overheat the heater. To the left, we have two knobs. The one on the right, or the one on the top for you, is the one that regulates the heat being generated in the coils, and the one on the left is the fan speed regulator. For example, currently it's on the 0 fan speed mode, and subsequently the more you turn it, the more the fan speed will increase. Turning the product onto its side, we can see that it has a handle which also serves as the base or feet of the product when it is in the horizontal orientation. On the bottom, we have a similar venting grill, and we advise that you do not cover this as well. On top, there is nothing else, nor is there anything on the back. On the front, we have the black grill that allows the fan to blow hot air out. We can also see the copper motor on the inside through this grill. On the bottom, we have a sticker which has the model number and serial number. Now coming on to the cable, we already know that the cable length is approximately 1.3 meters long. It has a standard 3-pin Indian plug, and the cable is quite thick. so it should be able to manage a lot of current flowing through it. So this was the unboxing of the Orient Electric Arriva FH20WP 2000 watt room heater. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.